Hello guys, greetings to everybody. So in today's edition, I want to teach you how to get rid of this username or where how you can get started for you to start your journey to new Sam Zugacoin Wallet. So this for those people that have already gotten it, this is what you're going to see after you have done downloading and installing. So you are going to see this. But for the sake of a new people in this platform, I would like to start to show you where you are going to get it. But before then, I will drop the link on the description of this video, so that if you click on the link, you can be able to go to the website and download the new app all in one. So let's go there. But before then, if this is your first time of coming to KS Digital Concept, make sure you click on like, click on notification button, and do well to subscribe to this channel, so you get update on everything that is in this Samzuga account. Everything, any information that you need on this Samzuga will be delivered on this channel. Okay, stay tuned where a lot of information will be unveiling. So let's go there. Let's go to go to your Chrome. So if you go to your Chrome, on the search bar, you see the search bar up here. So you can just type African. You see African app dot store. So once you type this African app dot store, once you type it, click um on this your arrow pointing on your typing. So your own will be done, your own will be search. Anything you see there, just tap on it. You see it will open this way. So once it opens, you click on you see the apps here. So let me just show you. This is WhatsApp status. These are different apps involved on this app store. So we're looking. So this is one you need. So as you have opened here, you need this. So for you to transfer some of your coin from your old wallet, so you will need to download this one. And if you don't know how to go about that one, I still have video that I have already made that teaches you how you can go about funding your old wallet on Zuga wallet, then moving your coin out there. So you can check the description below. You will see other of the videos I have already made before concerning that. So but what we need now is this Sam Zuga merchant wallet app. So you just tap on it. So once you tap on it, this will open. Okay, you see this will open. So once you open, you click on this download button here. So if you click on this download button, you wait a minute, so the thing will download. So after downloading, it will open. Or if you don't open, you click on download again, it will now ask you, do you want to download this application again? So you now cancel. So like this now, if you click on this now, it will download. So it will ask you, if you want to repeat it again, it will ask you, do you want to download this application again? So you can now cancel and click on open. So do you see it here? Download again. So once you do this, so you just click on open. You click on open. Do you want to download merchant app again? So if you click on download again, it will download. But if you don't want, you just click on this open. So it will open. I have downloaded it before, so we have to go back. So once your own is done downloading, and you are successfully once you are done downloading, then you install. It will install. After installing, so it will open, and once it opens, you will get this. So that is the first step. Now the second step is now registration. So the key point you have to note for you to get successfully on this registration is that you have to know your username on the old application. You have to know your email. So sometimes you can also use the same password if you use strong password in there before. But if you don't, you have to get to know that you're going to use special characters in your forming of your character, in your passwording. You use special characters like hash, number. You use special character, then you use number, you use letters. So these are the three combination of password they're going to use for you to have successful registration. And in your registration, in your username, you can add some special character also to get it done. Okay, so let's get started now. Get started. So if you have already registered, it will ask you to sign in. So but if you haven't, so what you just need to do is click on use new user. You see it here now, new user. So you put your full name as it is, you put your username, then you put your email, you confirm your password. So you click on sign up. Okay, I hope you are getting it now. So let's move on to see what we have. All right, so as you can see on the screen here, I'm done with the filling of this. I'm done with the filling of this form. So let's proceed to see what it will tell us. Okay, so let me say sign up. Registration successfully. Wow, wow, can you see I've done my registration right now so successfully without any wahala. Okay, this is how you're going to do your own. Once you do your own as directive said, do you see it? Just straightforward. Your username, pin your password, pin your full name, pin, click, you register, no wahala. You see that it just went successfully. Okay, so I beg you make sure that you do what I told you. When you are registering, make sure your password is mixed up. You have to have capital letter, you have to have small letter, you have to have number, you have to have uh, special characters. Okay, so this is how to do your what, your registration, and how you can download your app from App Store, African App Store, and you get started in your journey to your financial freedom. Stay tuned to this channel as a lot of other things will be unveiling to you. Okay, so if you still have any distance for you to do me good on this platform, you know I don't charge you anything doing this video for you. So just what I need for you to share this video to others, let them know, let them see what is happening here. Okay, make sure you share this video to them so that they get started, and click on notification, subscribe to this channel so you stay tuned and get more updates coming up. Okay, so I love you guys. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.